Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of Zik Analytics. Now this video will have everything you need to know before you get started with Zik Analytics and how you use it for eBay market research. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Shopify and eBay Analytics tools by Zik, and you can just type this in your browser, zikanalytics.com, and you should be able to see this landing page. And they currently have this Black Friday mega deal with 50% off all plans if you want to check that out. But of course, if you already have an account, then you can straight up log in here or start with their $1 trial. So just type in your email address here, and then you can claim your $1 trial. So to start off, Zik Analytics is a powerful e-commerce research and analytics tool designed primarily for eBay sellers. It provides valuable insights into market trends, product performance, and competition to help sellers optimize their eBay strategies and boost sales. Now, we're going to try to focus on gathering info on their website for this video so that we'll be well equipped once we actually dive right into their trial or to actually subscribing to one of their plans. So here on the front page, we have just a bunch of what we call accolades from Zik Analytics. So these are some familiar media companies: ABC, CBS, Forbes, Fox, and NBC that Zik Analytics has been featured on. Here we have a preview of how the analytics look like. Then started or advanced, Zik has you covered. All right, more preview of what the interface looks like. Right here, drive traffic and sell. Stay ahead of the game with traffic boosting keywords. Find the hottest products to sell, who your main competitors are, and what you need to do to increase your profits. So you have this keywords here: eBay searches, AliExpress searches. So it's very well organized, and it sums it up for you in one dashboard, so you have easy access to it, and of course you can make the adjustments accordingly to boost your sales and to, of course, increase your marketing. Watch your business grow. Zik was built by sellers for sellers. We fuel your growth with accurate and reliable data, giving you a competitive advantage. So again, here more preview of product research, sell-through percentage, listings, sold items, sale earnings, and whatnot. All right, so Zik has already helped 180,263 sellers. All right, so all the e-commerce analytics tools you need to start and grow your store. So before we dive further into this, let's try to talk about some of the key features of Zik Analytics. First of which is what we call product research tool right here. So product research tool helps identify trending and profitable products to sell on eBay. It also filters products based on sales, volume, competition, and demand trends. And it also includes a hot products finder for quick identification of in-demand items. So right, as you can see here, we have a preview of that right there. Art drawings, look how categorized these are. So that's how it's going to look like on the actual software. And then of course we have competitor research. Now competitor research allows us to analyze top performing competitors, listings, sales, and strategies. It also tracks competitors' pricing, titles, and sold items, and provides a breakdown of successful sellers in specific niches. So here for competitor research, you can uncover low competition, high demand, and non-profit products and gain an advantage over other sellers. Search any eBay seller to find out what their top performing items are and track your competitors' selling strategies and stay on top of the curve. All right, so we also have what we call eBay market analysis. Now, eBay market analysis offers data on eBay's global marketplaces to uncover high demand, and low competition niches. It also helps analyze market share and trends for different product categories. There's also title builder or title optimization. This helps generate SEO friendly eBay titles to improve product visibility in search results and offers suggestions based on keyword relevance and buyer behavior. Right? So it helps rank your products higher and drive sales to your listings with better sale through rates. You can also create multiple listings with top performing long tail and generic keywords. So right here, another preview of that. They also have the sales tracker, which monitors your eBay store sales performance in real time and tracks sales trends, customer preferences, and seasonal demand patterns. For their supplier database, you can connect sellers to reliable suppliers, for example, from AliExpress, that they also support right here, or other wholesale platforms like Shopify and, of course, eBay. And it also assists with product sourcing by providing supplier details and cost analysis. There's also category research, which identifies high performing eBay categories for targeted product listing and highlights subcategories with strong demands and low competition. For profit and expense tracking, you can track expenses like shipping, fees, and product costs to calculate profit margins and provide an overview of financial performance. As for the eBay integration, it syncs with your eBay store for seamless monitoring and analytics, and it also offers customizable dashboards for quick insights. For training resources, Zik Analytics includes tutorials, webinars, and guides for beginners to learn how to optimize their eBay selling strategy, and they also offer insights into drop shipping and scaling an e-commerce business. So here for dropshipping automation, you can automate your product's discovery process to find the best-selling dropship items from AliExpress, Walmart, and Amazon. Use the dropshippers only filter to locate your fellow competitors and cross-compare eBay items with other marketplaces to find exact matches. Now for filter and sort items based on product sales, competition, level, profit, and product ratings, you can find the highest profit products before everyone else. Some more preview of that right here. How dropshipping automation looks in action. Now for Shopify here, you have the market insights, and then there's the sales tracker, store finder right here, and product explorer. So it's not just extensive on the eBay side, but also on Shopify and, of course, AliExpress, where you have this Ali Growth Scanner. And then there's product research and supplier research. So that's some of the best features Zik Analytics offers, not just for eBay, but also Shopify and AliExpress. Again, if you want to start out with your trial today, feel free to do so. And, of course, you might not want to miss out on their Black Friday mega deal, which runs for another day or so. Just feel free to check this out on their website. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.